Hi guys, welcome back to Cozy Home. Today's video is going to be about 12 things we forget to clean in the bathroom. If you're new here, hi, my name is Jacqueline, and thank you guys so much for joining my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave a comment telling me that you're new here. I hope you enjoy these 12 things. Let's come on. First thing we forget to wipe down is our toilet paper holder. Right here, I'm showing you guys how you can stamp your toilet paper. I'm just gonna fold it into a triangle, and then I'm gonna turn on my faucet just a little bit, and then you'll press your toilet paper up in there and it gives you a stamp. We are number 11, shower heads. I'm wiping down my shower heads with all-purpose from Grove, and if you guys' shower heads are full of debris, calcium and stuff like that, you guys can always use some vinegar in a Ziploc bag and put your shower head inside there and let it soak for a good hour or so and then clean it. Or you could use that CLR, I think it's what it's called, and like the same thing with the vinegar, let it sit in there for a while and then wipe it up. Number 10 is bathroom fans. I'm guilty, guys. I don't clean this quite as often. I only do it about once, maybe if I'm lucky to do it twice a year. Number 9, shower drains. I didn't have to clean this too much because not that long ago Joel had cleaned it with some Drano, and all I'm gonna do is try to pluck out as much hair as possible, and then I'm gonna wipe it down. Number 8 is behind the toilet. Do you guys enjoy watching these 12 things we forget to clean? If you do, please leave a comment below. Number 7 is the toothbrush holders. These could get really gross inside. As I'm cleaning the toothbrush holder, I'm going to pour some mouthwash into these glasses so I could disinfect our toothbrush. I wish I could go back to right before you told me I'd try to change it all. But look at us now, it could have gone so far. It hurts to realize. Now I'm just gonna set these toothbrushes over to the side so they can still soak. Number 6 is hairbrushes and combs. First, all I'm going to do is clean up all the hair that is in the combs, and then I'm going to put it under hot water in this container. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of vinegar and 1 tablespoon of some dish soap. You can let this sit for a few hours, or you can even let it sit for overnight, and that's what I'm going to do. this brings us to number 5, hair tools. I like to add some hot water and a little bit of rubbing alcohol, and I'm going to rub down all the tools to get any gunk, the leftover products that has built up on here. And then another thing you guys could do after you guys get done using it, and it's not too hot, but when it's warm you could do the same thing, wiping it down this way. Another product that you guys could use is iron cleaner. I don't have any of that, and I never heard of it before, but I use the rubbing alcohol. Number 4, lights. I'm very guilty on not cleaning this, so I definitely wanted to add this to the list because I need to remind myself that I do need to clean this area because I have a lot of dust, and there was a few spider webs up here too. Number 3 is bathroom decor. I haven't cleaned this since they've been put into the bathroom. Right now I'm just going to take out the toothbrush out of the mouthwash and put them away. Number 2 is bath mats. I'm going to pluck all the hair I can out of this bamboo mat that I have. It collects a lot of hair, so if you guys don't want to pluck hair all the time, don't get this mat. Anyways, I'm going to clean this one, and then I'm also going to be cleaning the rugs that go into my bathrooms also. We do this every day, and I'm still so amazed by you. So hold me tight. Number 1 is makeup. First, Jean is just going to be laying out all the makeup so that we could go through it and see what we like to keep and what we don't use. Sissy is helping me clean the makeup brushes. She's using some soap and some hot water to clean her brushes. Jean also talked about how you could get these mats that have these bumps on it, so it helps clean the brushes. So she talked about even making one with a cutting board with some hot glue, and you could make squiggly lines or dots and stuff like that. It was really cool how much she knows about makeup. At her age, I don't think I was wearing makeup, and even till this day I only wear pretty much eye makeup, and that's about it. Jean said to just let it air dry, so that's what we're going to do. I'm just going to leave it overnight. Me and Jean were talking about which ones are our favorite, so we both picked the same ones. Right here, me and Jean are discussing on what we want to keep. She likes using those ones. This highlighter is my favorite, and we are just kind of going through our makeup to see what we want to get rid of. So lucky. our makeup that looks really gross. We're gonna have to wipe it down. We talked about putting it in the washing machine, but we decided to just wipe it down instead.
How'd you do? I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. Hope you're fine, ain't got time to do everything you said you would. Frames of the past and the
He's
memories
gonna be wiping down all the cases to the makeup.
pictures of sunny days with your smile in the bar. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. Try to be cool, even wear that shirt you wanted to. My friends think I'm lame. Since I met you, I am not the same. It was not meant to be a fairy tale with a happy end. Girl, you take care now. I hope we can be friends. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's
We are going to make 3 pieces of makeup and some garbage.
nothing like them. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. Oh, how'd you do? I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. Hope you're fine, ain't got time. I'm not broken, not broken, not broken. How could they say I was broken?
We're going to let this beauty blender go since Jean put a ton of soap in this. It was pretty fascinating that it grew. Did you guys see how much it grew? Anyways, getting off topic, we're going to throw this away. We're going to get our new one. We have about 15 in the upstairs. So please leave a comment below if you know how to clean these, because me and Jean are new at makeup stuff. Okay, thank you. Say thanks.
Please, but I just want to watch this video. And they're like, that's not how you clean. Ew.
I think it's gotten bad.
It's so big.
So we don't. Oh, look how lovely is this?
How lovely.
Bloody. We're gonna let this bloody.
Beauty blender.
We're gonna let this bloody. You keep saying booty.
Booty bender.
We're gonna let this beauty.
Please comment how to save us.
We decided that